Hello dear students, welcome to the English session. Our topic is reported speech. In our previous session we talked about statements. In this session also we are going to talk about statements but in a bit more detail. So on the screen you can see the three characters. We discussed their example in our previous session also. When we talk about Riya and Rohit, their speech is an example of direct speech, where the exact words of the speaker are used and generally with quotation marks. We have not used quotation marks here as we are using the picture of Riya and Rohit. Talking about what Rohit told Amit, it's an example of indirect speech where we convey the message in our own words and we do not use quotation marks. In a nutshell, we can say that reported speech is usually a report of what was said at a different time, and so we have to change the tense to reflect the time which we are reporting. Let us take a look at some of the key changes that we make while converting direct to indirect speech or reported speech. One and the same thing. First change in pronouns. Then we make change in time and place words. Then changes are made in verb or the tense. And also sometimes we have to change the sentence structure also. We are going to talk about it when we discuss questions and imperative sentences. Now to begin with, let us talk about pronouns. What are the changes that we make in pronouns? Pronouns change depending on the speaker and the listener. Now, there are some examples in front of us. Let us observe them and try to understand. In direct speech, we have the example, I am hungry. And who is the speaker here? She. We'll change it into, she said she was hungry. So here, if we compare these two sentences, I has been changed to she. So this is a pronoun change. And the other change is the tense change. Talking about the second example, you won the game. They said to the girl. Right? Now the speaker is they and the listener is girl. We'll write, they told the girl that she had won the game. Now here, if we look closely, you has been changed to she. Why? Because the listener here is the girl. Talking about the third example, I have kept your book on the table. He said to me. Now the speaker here is he and the listener is me. So we'll write, he told me that he had kept my book on the table. So what pronoun changes we have made? I has been changed to he because the speaker is he, and your book has been changed to my book because the listener is me. Let's move to the discussion of changes in time and place words. So we are going to discuss these examples. Now changes to then. I am happy now. She said that she was happy then. So now has been changed to then. Here I am focusing only on time and place words. You can see we are changing the tenses also. We have changed the pronoun also. I has changed to she. Right? Moving to the second example, today changes to that day. We have a test today. They said that they had a test that day. So today has been converted to that day. Moving to the third example, I will see you tomorrow. He said that he would see me the next day. So what have we done? Changed tomorrow to the next day. Moving to the fourth example, she visited me yesterday. He said that she had visited him the previous day. So the yesterday has changed to the previous day. Now she is here changes to he said that she was there. So here has turned into there. Let's move further. And now we are going to discuss the changes in verb and tense. To begin with, present tense. Alright, so present tense, the first tense is simple present. It is converted to simple past. We move backward while reporting. I always drink coffee, she said. She said that she always drank coffee. Alright, so drink has changed to drank. Now moving to the next example. Present continuous changes to past continuous. I am reading a book, he told. He told that he was reading a book. So present continuous has changed to past continuous. Present perfect will become past perfect. I have been to Spain, he told me. He told me that he had been to Spain. Now, present perfect continuous changes to past perfect continuous. We have been waiting for hours. They complained. They complained that they had been waiting for hours. Let's move to the next tense, and the next tense is past tense. Alright, so the first tense change that we will discuss is simple past. It will change to past perfect. Bill arrived on Saturday, he said. He said that Bill had arrived on Saturday, so simple past has changed to past perfect. We use had while using past perfect tense. Past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. We were living in Paris, they told me. They told me that they had been living in Paris. Past perfect. Do we need to change past perfect? No, it will remain past perfect. I had just turned out the light. He explained. He explained that he had just turned out the light. Now comes the turn of future tense. Simple future changes to present conditional. I will be in Geneva on Monday, he said. He said that he would be in Geneva on Monday. So will be has changed to would be. Future continuous changes to conditional continuous. I will be using the car next Friday, she said. She said that she would be using the car next Friday. Now, there are some special cases where we do not change the tense. For example, modal verbs like might, could, would, should, ought to. Let us look at some of the examples. Could. It could be difficult to find our house. We explained. We explained that it could be difficult to find our house. So there is no change. I might bring a friend to the party, she said. She said that she might bring a friend to the party. Again, no change in the tense. Some more special cases. If the reporting verb, just pay attention, reporting verb. If the reporting verb is in the present, or if the original statement was about something that is still true. Let us try to understand with the help of these examples. Now here we use the term reporting verb. So this is the reporting verb. He says, I have missed the train, but I will catch the next one. He says, we can't change the tense of the reporting verb. So it is in present tense. So we are not going to change the tense of the verb used. He says that he has missed the train, but he will catch the next one. So here, present perfect, no change. Present perfect here also. Simple future, no change. Simple future here also. All credit goes to the reporting verb. It is in present tense. Now, second example, we explained it is very difficult to find our house. Again, since it is still true, the answer will be, we explained that it is very difficult to find our house. So no change in the tense. With this, we come to the end of today's session and we have thoroughly discussed all the statements possible. I'm going to leave you with a task. You can see some of the sentences on the screen. These are for you to practice. Till we meet next time, take care.